Okay, welcome back. Here I'm just opening a blank HTML page where I'm just putting a hello world. Sorry. Okay, let's check this on browser. Okay, the generic hello world comes here. Now we're going to create the basic things of that project, and for this reason I just need to open up the project file here because we need to copy most of the design layout from here. Here is the screenshot of this project. Okay, now here what we get here: first the header part here, and the logo, and some menus here, and the search box over right side in this menu bar. And after that we get breadcrumbs and the heading of this site, and so many parts or sections in here. Okay, now let's build this up on our own. So for this reason we need to figure out how we're gonna do this. First we have to take a header part, so take a div header here, take a div with header class, and after that we need to add a header part. So I have declared another div named header top with header logo ACDR dash logo. Good. So in this section we are just going to put the logo only. Here you can see just only logo in this part, nothing else, only logo. So I'm just going to do the same thing. Here you can see here it's only logo, nothing else, just logo. So in this part I'm just put that logo here. So img source img logo dot png. I put a png logo here. You can say watch my project file, logo.png, no other images, only logo. Right now I'll put all the image later here. Now the logo is set. Also want to add some bootstrap class, class image fluid. It will make the image responsive for us. Okay, let's see how it look like now in the browser. Oh, sorry, I got a mistake here. Here it is. Okay, our logo is pop up here, but we want some space here, so I should have declared a container before that logo, that we can make those things under a same design layout. So container and then the logo. Okay, I think it will work for us. Yes, it's worked fine. Now I want to add a neighbor over here, and I'm going to take this neighbor from Bootstrap. I already told you I make this using Bootstrap, and I'm going to show you every workflow how I can do this, or anyone can do this who is new in Bootstrap. He can get all documentation from getbootstrap.com. Here you can find all the documentation you want for using Bootstrap CSS framework. Okay, I'm just going to documentation right now, and after that component section. There are a lot of component things. I'm just need the neighbor, just neighbor right now. Okay, here we can get some sample code here. I'm just taking one of the code, and I'll tell you what happened here. I'll describe it to you later. Okay, just here I'm just put the neighbor. Okay, just after the header, I'm just put the neighbor just after the header. Okay, sorry, I'm just want to put it just inside the header. Okay, just put it to inside the header. Okay, header logo and then the neighbor. Okay, that's cool for us. Right now let's check what you know the developing a website is always doing something and check this, doing something and check this, doing something and check this. I have to do it lots of time, over and over and over and over. Okay, now here I can see the our neighbor is dark. That's why we also need to use the dark and also need to push that neighbor, that starting bottom to here, because of I want to align those things right here, otherwise it doesn't match our design layout, and that's why I need to use another container inside the neighbor. Okay, that's pretty much easy. uh, Here our neighbor is start. It will be better if you comments here something, neighbor start. Okay, and after that make another comment and neighbor int. It will help us because when we'll write a lot of code, then we cannot figure out instantly whose code is where. That's why I'm just put that comments down here, that I can figure out what going on here. Okay, now first we have to change something like this background. Here you can find the never light or busy light. That's the fact. You can easily change the background of Bootstrap framework. Just use the dark, DARK. Previously in Bootstrap 3 we use never reverse, but it's not work in Bootstrap 4. We have to use the never dark, okay, and busy dark. Let's see the magic. Yes, here, ooh la la, just we got our black, dark navigation bar, like something like this. Now we have to push those things a little bit inside, okay, and that's why we have to use another container. Now we have to figure out where exactly we're going to put these container things. Okay, neighbor brand, we have to put this before brand, and that's why after that neighbor dark we are just add a container, container here. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's worked, but here is a little problem, that our background of neighbor is shrink down here. We didn't get this too long over everything, and that's why we have to make another tricks over here. Okay, I want to put the container thing inside the neighbor. Okay, background, although here is the neighbor main and is the neighbor background, we declare here at the class background busy neighbor. Now I'm adding a container here and put that thing inside the container. I hope it will work for us. I want a little indent, I need a beautification for my codes, that it looks fine. Ula, it worked now as I want. Where is the navigation bar, and here is the right sidebar, and the search box look like pretty much same, but not exact. We'll do it later with our CSS. Right now, after that section we have to create main container area. Oh, okay, I just want to put the breadcrumb things here. Sorry, I just messed up with the, because it is a simple image. We have to zoom it for watch everything. Okay, the breadcrumb things. Now I'm going to okay, create these breadcrumb things. You also can find everything about the breadcrumbs in Bootstrap. So search breadcrumbs. Okay, it's pop up here. Okay, let's go to the breadcrumbs, and I just want this looks like pretty much same my design layout, health, home, and hair growth. Okay, I'm just take this one here from where it is. It's here. It's also navigation. The area label is breadcrumb. Also a order list. The order list is okay. Let's copy this and describe this a little bit into our project. Okay, Just after the navigation bar, I just want to put that breadcrumbs inside the header because I want this part into the header. Okay, just I need to comments to thing here, starting and ending, like the previous. Okay, BREADCRUMB breadcrumbs int. I need to change this start start start. Okay, next time anyone work with this project, he can figure out what the things is going on. Okay, now I just want to copy the background things here. Home, health, hair growth. Okay, home, health, hair growth. Okay, I think we get our breadcrumbs here. Okay, we have to work a little bit with it, but don't worry about that. I think we missed something, a row thing over here, and we also add a container and row here for maintain our alignment. Okay, we just do it here. Container, I need a row wrap with container. So here I use this element here. Okay, Ula, it's work fine right now. Okay, and it also aligns same, but the navigation bar need to come little bit left side, around 10 pixel, and that's sorry, it's exact around 15 pixel because we didn't take a row. That's why it pushed a 15 pixel here. If you take a row, it will take negative 15 pixel left side, and our navigation will become a little bit left side, and that's why we have to do something. Something is what? Here you can find out inside the navigation we just declare a container, and after that container we just take everything cut out and declare a row. Row mean a div with class row. Okay, it's everything about class. Bootstrap is depends on class things, and also need a row for the logo. Now it will work fine, and I think it's aligned same right now. Okay, it's aligned same, but we got a problem over here, the right sidebar, search engine. So if we remove the row thing from the navigation, it will work fine. Okay, comment it, and after that we'll add some minus padding to align them here. Okay, right now I just we just complete our what it calls breadcrumbs, and after that we are going to the main content area. Ooh la la, we have successfully completed the header section here. And if you're thinking about the CSS, don't worry a little bit. Okay, don't worry at all, it will be fine. The, you can build it using directly CSS, and I think you have a lot of knowledge about CSS. The ways you can directly follow me through this project. Okay, what do you think? Now we should complete our header and go further. It will be fun, it will grow some interest for you, but okay, don't worry. Let me first finish the header section. Okay, here the CSS. We'll make a main CSS where we're going to override all of our Bootstrap and add some new CSS. Okay, let's find what we have here. What we have to exactly need to design or add CSS. I don't need those things. Okay, fine, we got our header, and in here we have a header, then header logo content. Okay, first we start with our header. It may be better to make some normalization, but Bootstrap a lot of normalization of inside him, and now I'm just design some header things. Later we'll do something with our body, because we need to change our uh, fonts and other stuff, margin paddings. Okay, so start with header. Okay, for declaring the header, we know the basic thing, dot plus declare the class name, and after that two curly braces. Okay, inside that we are just going to read all of our header stuff. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, at the beginning of this header we have a bright border over this place. I need the color of this border, and that's why I'm just going to do some inspect element things. If you know a little bit of browser things, you know a lot of about the inspect element things. A lot of people know about that. And we have to take some. Okay, at the background color, I'm just replace this background color with that, and I got the hash code for this color, and I'm going to use this color for this border. I don't know how much the border, it may be 2 or 3 pixel. Okay, let's do this. Border right for the top side. Sorry, we need the border top, not right. Border top, 3 pixels solid, and the hash color code. Okay, I hope it will work tremendous fine. Let's check it out. Oola, we got the border over the top, but we need a more bold border, not thinner like this. It's more bold. It may be the 5 pixel. Okay, let's try with 5 pixel. If it not, we can change it anytime. Yes, it's pretty much look like same. Now look at the logo tab. It have top a lot of padding and also bottom. So we have to do something with that. We also resize this image also. It's too much bigger, I think. No, it's not bigger. It's look like pretty much same. We just need some padding for this logo thing. Okay, before that we need to add a class over this logo image. Okay, we also use a class image fluid. With that we also add a new class logo. Okay, that we can easily find out this specific logo image on that page. There will be another images, but logo is different. Okay, so where we got that logo? Okay, first we declare the header is here. Inside the header we have image class with logo. Okay, fine. Now add some padding on that. PD padding. I'm just going to add a padding for every side, not left and right. So I left them 0, and but top it will be 20 pixel top, right 0, bottom 10 pixel, and the left also 0. I think you know how to do this. Otherwise check some reference at W3 school. Okay, I think this logo look like pretty much same right now, but a little bit bigger. I can assume a little bit bigger. Okay, leave it like this right now. Now we have to work with this navigation bar. Here the nav bar, it is the brand. I want this logo to be the brand, and that's why I need some changes over this home page. So what can we do? We just take this link called neighbor brand. Okay, when I take this neighbor brand from this, cut this inside neighbor and put this the row, and after that we just put this image inside the neighbor link. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay, that's cool, nothing changed too much, but I think they got some extra bit of padding. Okay, we will fix that later. Nitra, it's just we're just getting the shape of the website to look like same, but we need some adjustment later. Okay, now we have to work with this navigation bar right now. So now we lost the home page, sorry, the neighbor brand thing inside the header, inside the navigation bar exactly. Sorry for that. Okay, now we don't have the neighbor brand inside the navigation, it's outside right now. Okay, it's no problem. Now what can we do with that? uh, okay, in here the navigation bar start from, I think here nav. Okay, so the nav needs some minus padding. What the hell I'm doing here? I'm just need to copy this class. Okay, when I copy this class, I just put it here and add some negative padding for the left, and that would be minus 15. I told you before. Uh, Padding left minus 15 pixel. Okay, I think it will work good, otherwise I need to make some changes. Okay, and it will be better if you inspect element through the browser, then you will get the exact class order that declare on Bootstrap. It's too much important to change anything inside Bootstrap or override Bootstrap CSS like this. If I click here, you can see that navbar expand lc navbar nav. Okay, that is the class for this thing, and it will be only effect when I declare this class, not only the navbar. Okay, here I told you I add some navbar, but it not worked. It will be worked if I add some extra thing like important. Okay, I had the important issue, but it is still not working there. So what's wrong with that? It's not wrong, it's the process how the thing is work over this Bootstrap. Okay, so I'm just change this class and also add an important characteristic to this value. So what about the class, what about the properties was, it will be now over it. It's not still not work. Surprising, too much surprising. Why it not working, I have no idea, really no idea at all. So check it again. This thing's supposed to work like that way. Don't worry about that, we'll do some things. Thing else. Padding left 15 px. It's working, but minus 15. Oh, oh my gosh, I have got a mistake over here. We must add this padding to the container, the minus padding, not exactly to the not exactly to the navbar. We just used to this freaking class for that. Okay, then it will work. Sometime I just messed up things, and then I have to recheck those, and then I got some result, not exact but pretty much same. Okay, let's see. minus 15. I need only 0 pixel for that. Okay, I think now we should change our batteries. For our recording, it's making so very messed up and noisy. I don't know what's wrong with this. Sometimes it's happened, always happened. Okay, now we got aligned to our navbar. We don't need the drop down things, so I have to remove and also remove the disable things. So I just need to copy all the navbar item from here, and what all those things are: home, finance, technology, health, travel, and everything from there. Okay, now we have to rewrite those things right now, and after that I'll be back with the CSS things. So we also need some chains. We'll just remove the drop down things from here and also active the disable link. Okay, now right now we have the 3 link exactly, but we have to we should need more. Okay, more, a lot of. Okay, and that's how I just need to copy this link item and overwrite all those things. Copy. We need almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You know, we're too much lazy. I don't know where exactly. Tell me about me. So we have 3 on it, more 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we have to rename all those things. First one, links to be finance, FINANCE. Okay, second one, technology, TCHNLOCY, and after that health, ACALTH, health, and the health need to be the active platform, because we are just working under the health. Okay, and after that we got the travel, TRAVEL. Okay, please notice I have some problem with the spelling. Always I did, and maybe you can forgive me for this mistake. I think so. The ENTERTAINMENT, entertainment, sports, SPORTS, sports. Okay, I need those things capitalized. So camel S, and then lifestyle, LIFESTYLE. Okay, we got all of our navigation bar, navigation menu link, and let's check it out here. Okay, that's look pretty much cool. Now we need to make some adjustment with this navigation bar, and before that I have to work a little bit with this search button. Look at the demo. Here is no search button, only the search icon. I just need that one, and I'm going to take this from the icon font. I mean font awesome. Font awesome. Sorry, we go to the Google font. FTW font awesome icons. We just need the font awesome classes from here, and you can easily do that by going to the fontawesome.com/icon. Okay, it's taking a little longer. I don't know why the site decoration is changed a lot. It's not look like the same as before. Okay, now search here, the search SER. Okay, we got the search icon from here. It's the free one. If you need another things from the gray color, you need a pro account. I have a free account and I'm using this free thing. If you have a pro account, you can use the professional version of those fonts. Okay, you can try those, and there is a lot of free icons over the market. You can also try them too. Okay, I take this one from, I'll just copy this. Okay, and need to replace the search text with the link. Okay, I already add the font awesome CDN to my site. Here it is. Look, this font awesome CSS, and that's why I easily get access to these classes and get the font. Okay, get the font icon or icon font, whatever you said. Let's check this. What we got? Yes, we got our search here. We need some little adjustment on CSS. How can we do that? Sorry. Right now, we have to add some CSS. Okay, don't be funny. Don't be funny at all. Okay, let's see how they look like and how we can do the same. Okay, now first step we add a border. Okay, look like this. Add a border. The color will be white and a little bigger. The font will be a little bigger than that, and the active state needs some colors. Okay, that's cool. First, we need those classes to be modified. I told you before that if we want to change anything or override anything on Bootstrap framework, we need to override those classes exactly how the Bootstrap describes, and we can get them directly from the inspect element. When I click anything, I got the class here, and now I'm just need to change the the navigation. Okay, we are at the navigation. I didn't get any classes because it's under the anchor tag, and anchor tag has a lots of styling, and I'm just get the class that I can create my own style over this. Okay, now I'll just put that here and add two curly braces opening and closing. Inside that I'm going to add some CSS. Okay, first of all, color. We need the color to be white. We know uniquely the triple F or 6F will be the white. Okay, sometimes we use the triple. Okay, it doesn't really matter. We need the white color and exact pure white. We got the exact pure white for our navigation, and I cannot see the hover state here because it's image, and that's why I leave it like that. Now I'm going to add a border or make the font size bigger. So, and for that, to make the font size bigger, we need to work with font size. Font size. Font size to be 1 name for testing. We can change it, make it bigger or smaller. The size was previously 1 em, and I have to increase the size a little bit. Look that in here our all of our code is loading under the style CSS 15. Line 15 will start our code, so check it. Yes, exactly, the style.css page and the line number 15, we are just coding our own custom code for this custom CSS. Now I have to increase this 1.5. It's too much large, so reduce a little bit, 1.2. I think 1.1 will be fine, and need some padding thing. Okay, I got the 1.1. It will be fine, I think. Yes, 1.1 is cool. 1 is perfect. I need some text. Sorry, 1.1 need to be and text with font width need to be 700. It's too much big. So what about 500? Is it look like same or need to change? a little bigger, think a little bigger. Okay, what if I reduce the font size a little bit? Is it look like same? No, not like same. We also need to change the font, but right now I just leave the font same as this and reduce font width to 400. Okay, now it's look like pretty much same this to pretty much same this. Okay, and working with some padding thing. So padding, top button 2 will be 10 px and left right will be also 8 px. Is it working? I don't think so. I need to reduce some top and bottom. Okay, 0 will be fine. And need to increase this one. Okay, leave it to 10 px first and then we'll do something later. Okay, I just we're too much lazy. Not we are, exactly I am, and that's why I just copy and paste these to my project. Okay, cool. Okay, I think it will work fine for our project. Okay, now right now we get the exact font size and color and padding. Now we have to colorize something, the background of active from. That's the main important part, and we also get some classes for that to work with. Okay, here you can say nav item got an active platform, active class, and we have to work with the active class. Or is the class active? What the? I'm a little bit sorry about that. Focus state active. I think it would be pop up right now. No, I didn't get it yet. Focus. Okay. Where is the fucking active state? Sorry. Freaking active state. I didn't find it. Okay, let's do something with nav item. If I get the class for nav item, then nav bar. Okay, we followed the class right now, and after that I am going to add the navbar and active class. That will be cool. Navbar nav item and the active CTIV. I don't need the nav item here, I just need the active. Background color need to be changed. I'm just now putting some dummy color for the background for test purpose. Okay, we got that. Yeah, we got that. Okay, now we need to make some changes there. We have a little problem. I need the background color to be top to bottom, but it's not working like that. How can I do that? Now the big question is, how can we do that? We need to make some adjustment with padding of our main things, like navigation bar and the nav item. Okay, look at the navigation bar. When I get that, we have a little padding over top and bottom. Okay, so I need to change them, and here is the padding. You see, I got them. Okay, so we have to rewrite the navbar code. Navbar, where is the navbar? I have to declare navbar nav let's see something neighbor, and I need these to make everything BR padding to be this, and sorry, I got a uh right. Okay, we have reduced this, and also have some issues like this. Okay, inside we have to reduce someone else neighbor padding to, not the neighbor close, inside neighbor close. Okay, so where are they comes from exactly? I have no idea. Okay, nav I just increased some padding for them. Let's see what happened there. Padding top bottom 10 px. Oh, 0 px. Oh, those are not from the neighbor. Okay, we have no problem. We got this area because of this search box. Oh, don't worry, we have to increase the nav link padding, that it will look like pretty much how we want to look it. Okay, nav link, and we have to increase this padding to 10 pixel to, oh no, sorry, not that one, 10 pixel to something else, and it's worked fine to our browser right now. Then we need around 15 pixel. Okay, it will be fine if it is 15 pixel there. So I have to update these to 15 pixel, and our number works fine there. And I think we need a little border beside those, but right now I just want to leave them as it is. What do you think? It's not so very bad to do those things. Now I have to work with the search button or search from. Okay, now go to the inspect element and check what exactly we got here. Okay, look at that. We have a little margin over the right, and we got that because of that class mr2 right, and we adjust those things. Okay, now let's go to the button and remove that class from them. Okay, and after that we are just going to do some CSS to make this search box look like pretty much same as the our sample design, dummy design, or whatever we are just going to copy right now. Okay, and then go to the search. Here I have to remove this margin class, and I got everything set to style it. And now I have to get the class first, what I'm going to work with. Now I have to work with the import field from control, and it is the from control, but we need to work specifically the search search from input. And how can we do that? To do this, we have to first declare a new class to identify that search box, and we add the class search. It will be help us to find this, and also add search button for the search icon. Let's work with them, what we can get. Okay, don't worry about anything. We'll just straightly take the search class, CRCS class, because we need everything look like pretty much same to this. And after that search class, we add some border radius. Border radius, to be 0. Okay. Also need to change some background colors and a lot of things like that. And how can we do that? Okay, let's check the border radius. Look at these. Here I have some border radius and I remove them right away. Okay, it's not a square. I also need the button to be border radius less, and that's why I add the button. Search view TTOM. It's a class, obviously. It's not working for the bottom. So guys, now we need to change the navigation. The search box look like same, and that's why we need to do something with this search. Okay, now we are going to change the search box to be changed first, and after that the search button here. So do that. We have to work with this background. Background need to be color with 4B, and that color is exact match with the dummy color. I just take this before. Okay, it's taking the color right now, and we have to change the border also. So no problem. Border color to be 5F 524B. Sorry, I got a mistake. That will be the text color. Text color will be that, and border color also the same as background. Now let's see what happened. Boom, we got the exact search box, and also need the search. Okay, it doesn't really matter what is the focus form and the search button right now. And we also give him a class btn search. Okay, now add the class border radius to be 0, and the background color to be the same. And the color inside this button will be white, because we can see the search icon is white here. Okay, now reload this page. Oh la la, we get our page. And also need to change a little bit the search box border color right need to be changed a little bit. Okay, we do that here. Border right color to be same as the text color. Okay, now we got what do we want here. We got our search box ready. Now we have to work with the breadcrumbs first. Okay, now we need to remove the background of the breadcrumbs and push them a little bit left to align them correctly, and need to change their colors also. Right now I'm just taking the breadcrumbs. Okay, now I got what they declared the background color. I got this. Okay, now we have to change the background color to nothing. Okay, or the background color to be white to match with the outside background color. So background color need to be white. Okay, I think we got this. Fine. Now we have to think about the padding stuff. Now, okay, do some padding. Top button need to be 10px and left right need to be 0. Okay, that's cool. Okay, the 2 must push to left, not exact 0. I need to increase this a little bit to 10 pixel also. Okay, then it will be fixed 10 to 10. Then that means only 10 pixel padding will be take the fourth side 10 pixel. Now I need to change the colors here. Okay, I got that color and make those color to be black. Okay, breadcrumb items color need to be black. Cool. Take the class. Color need to be black, and that means 0. And okay, now it's work fine, I think so. Wow. And it is the link color, you know. Cooler than anything, but it's not exactly the black color. I need to copy this color from them. Okay, and also need to override this code. Breadcrumbs active color, and the color need to be the same as the navigation bar active color. That one I just copy and paste. Yes, we successfully complete our header section here. In our next video we are going to talk about, no, not exactly talk about, we are just going to create our main content of this landing page or that website here. Okay, I hope you got these points right now, and welcome to our next episode of this website making video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more video like this, please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.